Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Rockstar Games Launcher, sorry we are unable to handle your request at this time with the error code 1.500.7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Rockstar Games Launcher easily. So first off, you're going to close out your Rockstar Games Launcher and then you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. You're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. You're going to click your network connection, go into change settings of this connection, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1 and in the alternate DNS you're going to write here 1.0.0.1. Click OK again, disable your network device, wait for 15 to 20 seconds, after that enable it and wait for it to connect. And once it's done connecting, now you're going to go ahead and log in with your account on Rockstar Games and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So in this case, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.